Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Yanely and I am the owner and creator of Soy True Candles. In today's video, I will be giving you guys a tour of my candle room. This is where I make all of my candles. This is where I have all of my candle stuff and also where I store all of my inventory and also where I film. This is my little area, my little room. I decided to make this video today because I cleaned yesterday, so it looks decent because normally whenever I am making candles and I am working, it can get pretty messy. So I decided, I took a day yesterday and I was like, you know what, I need to be organized because I can be very messy. I could be very, I wouldn't say messy, but I would say disorganized. Like I just, you know, put things everywhere. And now that it's decent, I was like, you know what, let me give you guys a tour of my candle room. It's pretty small, but this is where I create my stuff. So before we get started, if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 7,000 and I'm super excited. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can help me get to 7,000 and hopefully more by the end of this year. So yeah, let's get started. So this is my room right here. Let's see, where do I start? I have this shell that, or whatever you want to call this stand that was actually outside and it was very rusty and they had tools and everything on it, but my fiance actually painted it white for me, which was something really nice. So I have storage and some, you know, place to have where I could put some stuff. So in here, the stuff on the bottom. So down here in the bottom, I have my wax, which I'm actually running out. I need to buy some more. Then I have some shipping boxes. Then on top of that, I have some decoration stuff, my stamp, which is actually what I use to stamp my bags. Then here I have some lip balm stuff because that, you know, I also make lip balms. I don't have it on my website yet, but I do make lip balms, so I have that. And then I have just some candles and stuff, some jars here that I was testing out. And then on top of that, which doesn't belong here, but I have some, this is where I have my label, not my labels, but my like blank sheet labels are up here, which I actually need a better spot for them. But for now, they're just on top of that. Then up here is where I keep my actual labels. And next to it, I have a box full of the little confetti thingies. And up there are just things that I take to my vendor events, markets, and things like that. Those are the things that I use to pack up my candles, and everything that I need is up there. This actually right here is a picture of my first vendor event. So yeah, that's what I have there. Then on this side is where I keep my empty jars, which actually this is all I have, and I have to place an order because I'm running very, very, very low. Up here I also have some more empty jars. This is actually I just ordered these to make samples. And yeah, then here right next to it is where I actually keep my inventory. This is all of my candles, which are cured and like ready to be sold. My candle here burning. Then I have some lip balms. Like I said, I also make lip balms. I don't have them on my website yet, but they will be coming up soon. And I have some room sprays. And right next to it, that's where I have my wax melter. So whenever I'm making candles, this is where I make my candles right here. I use all this space. So most likely, most of the time, I move this just so I can have all this area just available for candle making. And yeah, I have my wax melter on top of this because this is how I'm able to fit the, let me see if I can show you guys. I'm able to fit the picture right underneath, because if I have it on the counter, I can't put the picture in there. So this fits, and this works very well. So on this side, all I have is basically just my candle making stuff as well. Like these are my pictures, my scale up here. All of these are jars that I use to test new fragrance oils. So all of these are just basically for me. Here as well, I have all of my candle making stuff. So here I have just my tools that I use for candle making. I keep it all on this side. And there I have some, let's see, I can show you guys. On this side, like on these boxes, I have just, this is my wick sample kit that I ordered whenever I was, you know, first first testing candles. I also ordered some cotton wicks because I didn't know at the beginning, like, if I wanted to do wooden wicks or if I wanted to do cotton wicks, but I went with wooden wicks. So I have those here, and all of my fragrance oil samples, I just keep them in this box. Oh, I just noticed this one is leaking. And this one too, oh my God, I just noticed. On this shelf, I keep all of my fragrance oils for candle making and all that good stuff. And then over here, I have my room spray jars and the base. The good thing about this room is that I have a lot of storage. Down here, I have some drawers and more storage. Not all of the drawers, I use them for candle making stuff, but there are some. Like down here, let's see, this cabinet, that's where I keep my heat gun. Back there, I have some lip balm making supplies, and this is actually my candle making kit that I ordered for the first time from Candle Science. And on this side, I just keep my shipping boxes. I also have another place right here that I have some right at the end, which I actually have to change the spot, but right here I have some more boxes to ship my candles. And then up here, I keep my bags. So for anyone that's picking up candles or for like vendor events, I keep them right here with my shipping thing. Then right next to it, I keep my wicks and stuff, wick stickers, and the warning labels and stuff like that. I keep them on this drawer. And then next to that one, I keep my pouch bags. I keep them on this drawer. Okay, and right next to this wall, what I have here is a table, which is actually the table that I take with me on to like vendor events. I just fold it up and take it. But I have it here open for more space. So if I have to, you know, if I'm making candles and I need to place something somewhere, because like I said, I use up all of this area, I have this table, which I also use, like if I have to ship something, I'll, you know, pack it all up maybe on top of that. So underneath, I have my shipping stuff, which is my peanuts, and this little wrap thingy, which is where I wrap my jars in, like the candle jars. I keep it down there. I mean, I haven't been able to find a better place for it. Like I said, I have a lot of things in these cabinets, so maybe when I clean it out, maybe I can put all of my shipping stuff there. And then next to it, I have my tent. And next to the table on this side is where I have my ring light, also my tripod, and another little tripod. This is what I use actually to film my rails. I just put my phone right here. On this side right here, I have another table with my computer. But underneath the computer table, I have more, you guys, you ready for it? More peanuts. Then here I have some paper to wrap my candles, and also I have my paper cutter down here, and then my chair. I've been having it for such a long time. It's very, very old, but that's what I use to sit when I'm using when I'm using my computer. I just sit there. My camera, which right now I'm recording on my phone because this camera is just too big for me to just carry around for, you know, a long period of time. And then here I have my shipping label printer. I have it here, my paper, my working area, my computer area is right here, right across from my candle making area. That's pretty much it. This is my candle room. Like I said, it's pretty small, but I'm able to make candles and all from here. All right, and that is the end of this video. That is my candle room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said in the beginning, if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel to help me get to 7,000 and hopefully more by the end of this year. Like this video, and also comment below what was your favorite part, or like what do you like about my candle room, or what do you think I should do for better storage. And yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.